Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to save any post to the draft on your Tumblr mobile application. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to save the post to the draft in your Tumblr application, just going to show in this video. For an example, here it's just going to add something like a poll. Okay, so I just need to have a poll here. Okay, so let's ask some question like 33 or 44. The answer will be, so instead of posting, I just can make this to they save it to draft, so I can just post it later. For that, you just need to click on the three dot option on the top. Now you have this option called save as draft. Click on this. Now click on the done option. So now the option has been changed to save as draft, or you just can come back. So it will say it will ask two options like discard or save. You just can click on save, so it will be saved as a draft. So this is how you just save as draft any post on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.